In the world of graphic design, precision and performance are paramount, and the right monitor can be the difference between ordinary and extraordinary work. As technology evolves, so does the need for a display that delivers not only stunning visuals, but also the most accurate color reproduction, optimal resolution, and flawless response time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate creative, choosing the perfect monitor tailored to your design needs is essential. From vibrant colors to expansive screen real estate, we've curated a selection of the best monitors that cater specifically to graphic designers, ensuring every pixel aligns with your artistic vision. The Dell UltraSharp U4021QW is a massive 40-inch curved monitor designed for graphic designers who need plenty of screen space. Its 5120 by 2160 resolution, 5K 2K, provides an ultra-wide workspace, perfect for multitasking or working on large design projects. The IPS panel ensures accurate colors and wide viewing angles, so your work looks great from any angle. This monitor features Thunderbolt 3 connectivity, which allows for fast data transfer and can charge your laptop simultaneously. The built-in KVM switch lets you control multiple devices with one keyboard and mouse, making it super convenient for multitasking. The curved design wraps around your field of vision, creating an immersive experience. If you're a graphic designer who needs a large, high-resolution monitor for multitasking, the Dell UltraSharp U4021QW is a top-tier choice. The Apple Studio Display is a premium 27-inch monitor designed for creative professionals. It features a 5K Retina display with 600 nits of brightness, making your work look incredibly sharp and vibrant. The P3 wide color gamut ensures accurate colors, which is essential for graphic design. The monitor also has a built-in A13 Bionic chip, which powers features like center stage for video calls and spatial audio for immersive sound. The aluminum design is sleek and matches perfectly with other Apple products. It has Thunderbolt 3 ports for fast connectivity and charging. The tilt-adjustable stand is sturdy, and you can upgrade to a height-adjustable or VESA mount option. If you're an Apple user and want a monitor that delivers top-notch performance and design, the Apple Studio Display is worth the investment. The Asus ProArt Display PA27JCV is a 27-inch 4K monitor designed for professional creators who demand top-tier color accuracy. It covers 99% DCI P3 and 99.5% Adobe RGB, making it perfect for graphic designers, photographers, and video editors who work with wide color gamuts. The factory-calibrated color accuracy ensures that every shade is precise, with a delta E less than 1, which is industry-leading. This means your designs will look exactly as intended, whether you're working on print or digital projects. The monitor also features USB-C connectivity, which allows for fast data transfer and can charge your laptop simultaneously. The IPS panel provides wide viewing angles, so your work looks consistent even when viewed from the side. The ergonomic stand lets you adjust the height, tilt, and swivel for a comfortable setup. Additionally, it has HDR10 support, which enhances contrast and color depth for a more vibrant viewing experience. If you're a graphic designer who values color precision and professional-grade performance, the Asus ProArt Display PA27JCV is a must-have. The Dell 24 Touch USB-C Hub is a 24-inch Full HD touchscreen monitor that's perfect for graphic designers who want a more interactive experience. The touchscreen allows you to draw, sketch, and design directly on the screen, making it ideal for digital artists. The IPS panel ensures accurate colors and wide viewing angles, so your work looks great from any angle. This monitor features USB-C connectivity, which allows for fast data transfer and charging. It also has a built-in USB-C hub, so you can connect multiple devices easily. The adjustable stand lets you tilt the monitor for a comfortable viewing angle. If you're a graphic designer who wants a touchscreen monitor for a hands-on approach, the Dell 24 Touch USB-C Hub is a great choice. The AOC U32P2 is a 32-inch 4K monitor that offers a large screen and excellent color accuracy, making it ideal for graphic designers. It covers 100% sRGB and 90% DCI P3, ensuring vibrant and true-to-life colors. The 4K UHD resolution provides sharp details so you can see every pixel of your designs clearly. This monitor also features USB-C connectivity, which allows for fast data transfer and charging. The IPS panel ensures consistent colors and wide viewing angles, making it great for collaborative work. The ergonomic stand lets you adjust the height, tilt, and swivel for a comfortable setup. It also has flicker-free technology and low blue light mode to reduce eye strain during long work sessions. If you're looking for a large, high-quality 4K monitor that's affordable, the AOC U32P2 is a great option. The Samsung ViewFinity S9 is a 27-inch 5K monitor, expertly crafted for graphic designers who demand top-tier color accuracy and resolution. With its 5K resolution, every pixel of your designs comes to life with incredibly sharp detail, ensuring precision in every project. The IPS panel guarantees true-to-life colors and wide viewing angles, making it ideal for collaborative design work. Featuring Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, this monitor provides fast data transfer and charging, enhancing productivity. Its slim, modern design, along with an adjustable stand that allows for tilting, swiveling, and height adjustments, ensures a comfortable and ergonomic setup. The matte display reduces glare, allowing you to work comfortably in bright environments. For graphic designers who seek high-resolution clarity paired with a sleek, professional design, the Samsung ViewFinity S9 stands out as the perfect choice. The Huawei MateView redefines the modern display experience with its captivating 3:2 aspect ratio, perfectly designed to offer enhanced vertical space for graphic designers seeking a more expansive and efficient workflow. This 28.2-inch 10-bit IPS panel, boasting a stunning 3840 by 2560 resolution, delivers crisp, vibrant visuals with an exceptional 98% DCI P3 color coverage, ensuring unparalleled color accuracy that is vital for precision in graphic design and content creation. While HDR support is limited, the monitor's impressive 500 nit brightness and remarkable viewing angles elevate the overall immersive experience. The seamless USB-C connectivity, coupled with 90-watt power delivery, elegantly simplifies cable management, fostering productivity through a single, tidy connection. With its sleek, sophisticated design and competitive pricing, the Huawei MateView strikes the perfect balance of style, functionality, and affordability, making it the ultimate choice for graphic designers who seek an elegant, high-performance display that embodies efficiency and beauty in every pixel. The BenQ PD3225U is an upgraded version of the PD3220U, and it's even better for graphic designers. It supports 95% DCI P3 and 100% sRGB, making it ideal for working with a wide color gamut. This monitor is perfect for designers who need their colors to look consistent across different devices. The Thunderbolt 3 connectivity is a game changer. It allows for fast data transfer and can even charge your laptop while you work. The HDR10 support ensures vibrant colors and deep contrasts, while the IPS panel provides wide viewing angles, so your work looks great from any angle. One standout feature is the built-in KVM switch, which lets you control multiple devices with one keyboard and mouse. This is super handy if you're juggling between a PC and a laptop. The ergonomic design and eye care technology make it comfortable for long work sessions. If you want a monitor that's both powerful and versatile, the BenQ PD3225U is a top pick. The Philips 288E2A is a 28-inch 4K monitor that's perfect for graphic designers on a budget. It offers 4K UHD resolution, so your designs look sharp and detailed. The IPS panel ensures accurate colors and wide viewing angles, making it great for collaborative work. It covers 109% sRGB, so your colors will look vibrant and true to life. This monitor also features smart contrast technology, which adjusts the brightness and contrast to match your content. It has HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, making it easy to connect to your devices. The frameless design gives it a sleek, modern look, and the low blue light mode reduces eye strain during long work sessions. If you're looking for an affordable 4K monitor that doesn't compromise on quality, the Philips 288E2A is a solid choice. The Asus ZenScreen MQ16 AH is a portable 15.6-inch Full HD monitor that's perfect for graphic designers who are always on the go. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in your bag, so you can set up a dual-screen workspace anywhere. The IPS panel ensures accurate colors and wide viewing angles, so your work looks great no matter where you are. This monitor features USB-C connectivity, which makes it easy to connect to your laptop with a single cable. It also comes with a smart case that doubles as a stand, so you can prop it up on any surface. The flicker-free technology and low blue light mode reduce eye strain, making it comfortable for long work sessions. If you're a graphic designer who needs a portable monitor for travel or remote work, the Asus ZenScreen MQ16AH is a fantastic choice. So, if you're ready to take your designs to the next level, make sure you choose a monitor that works as hard as you do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite monitor or any questions you have. Stay tuned for more content to help you elevate your creative journey.